We're back all new at 4. A health alert. Sugary drinks will be off the menu for kids' meals in Denver in the next year. The city council passed a new rule last week. The mayor signed off on it. So now the kids' meals would have to list healthier options, including water and unflavored milk. Now, to be clear, the kids would still be able to order soda, juice, and other things. They simply won't see it on the menu listed there. Denver will join other cities nearby, including Lafayette, Golden, and Longmont, that already have the rule in place. Jennifer Moreland and the Public Health Institute at Denver Health were both actively involved in developing the rule. She joins me now to talk about it. Jennifer, thanks for being here. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
So why did you, Denver Health and the Public Health Institute, want this rule put in place?
Yeah, we noticed that the trends for kids' health were worsening, and we really wanted to put solutions in place. So this is one of many solutions to make sure that we're promoting healthier options and helping our communities limit how much sugar consumption is happening among our kids.
Do you have any idea exactly how much kids in Denver and around this area in terms of how much sugar they're drinking on a regular basis?
One of the statistics that we hear from the American Heart Association is that on average, kids are drinking a bathtub full of sugar. That's a lot of sugar, that they're consuming so much sugar it fills a bathtub.
Is that every year?
Annually.
That is a lot of sugar. Okay, so as I mentioned, a number of other cities nearby have this rule in place. They have had it for a little while. Have you noticed this idea that out of sight, out of mind actually works, that kids don't order the soda and some of these other sugary drinks?
What we've noticed and what has been revealed from a large study at Walt Disney World is that people stick with the default healthy beverage option 66% of the time. And everywhere kids go and families go, there's sugary drink marketing and sugary drink availability. So when it's not an option that's listed, it really supports kids and families making healthier choices and leaves mealtime for having a meal and not having a fight.
I've heard some parents say going out to eat is a treat. It's a special occasion as it is. So what's a soda going to hurt if I go out and give it to my kids?
We are really supporting the ability to have that choice and to still maintain the option to treat your child to a soda or juice if they would like. What we know is that kids are consuming too much sugar, and that by removing the marketing and removing the sugary drinks and listing those healthier options, it really promotes the opportunity for all families to be able to choose healthier options.
If kids say they don't like plain water, what are some other good options that they could drink instead?
Sparkling water, plain milk, a dairy substitute, those are all options that are available and can be listed on these menus as we move forward.
Okay, Jennifer Moreland, Denver Health, appreciate the advice today.